Second time in less than a month, video shows Baltimore police officers allegedly planting evidence. Newly released body camera footage apparently shows officers placing drugs in a car. The alleged incident happened during an arrest in November. Officers were searching the car after witnessing what they said looked like a drug deal. Jeff Pegues is in Washington with what a defense lawyer says the cameras captured. Jeff, good morning.
Good morning. The officers are accused of manufacturing evidence, and the public defender's office says that all you have to really do is look at the police body camera video to see it.
What are you stopping us for? What you mean step up? What are you stopping us for?
Body cameras were rolling during a traffic stop last November. The video shows Baltimore police officers searching a car for drugs. As one of the suspects is arrested, he accuses the officers of harassing him for days.
You crooked. You shut up. That's what you do.
According to the public defender's office, the officers found nothing in the car until turning their body cameras off. When the cameras came back on, an officer is seen squatting by the driver's side of the suspect's car, apparently unaware that he's being recorded. He then stands up and steps back. About 30 seconds pass, another officer approaches the car. That officer then squats down and pulls out a bag of drugs.
Frankly, when it's your word against the police, it's quite an uphill climb for a lot of people in Baltimore City.
Attorney Joshua Inslee says the footage absolves his client Shamira Collins, who was facing drug charges after the incident.
She didn't think anybody would believe her, but the cameras were all rolling, and she ended up being vindicated.
The Baltimore Police said in a statement, "Anytime an allegation of misconduct is made against an officer, they take it seriously and investigate it fully." This is the second time in recent weeks Baltimore officers have been accused of planting evidence. Body camera footage released about 2 weeks ago involving different Baltimore police officers allegedly shows drugs being planted in a backyard. The investigation into that incident is ongoing. The case against Inslee's client has also been dismissed, but he says this is not the end of their legal fight.
She lives in the city. She doesn't want any trouble between her and the police, but she feels like, she had drugs planted on her, and she definitely wants justice.
With these recent cases coming to light, the concern is that this is more of a common occurrence than originally thought. Last night, Baltimore Police Commissioner Kevin Davis sent a memo to officers reminding them that they are required to activate their body cameras when responding to calls and searching for evidence, and they are required to keep those body cameras on.